The first bird on our list is the resplendent Quetzal. A dazzling green and red bird with long tail feathers, symbolizes beauty and freedom in Central America's forests.
The elegant peacock is scond on the list. With its royal blue feathers and iconic tail display, is truly a sight to behold. Especially during their mesmerizing courtship rituals in India, they captivate with their grace and splendor.
Now let's discuss. The vibrant scarlet macaw, with its radiant reds, blues and yellows, is a marvel as it flies across the Amazon rainforest. Its colors are simply breathtaking, aren't they?
Next awesome bird on our list is the graceful flamingo, wading through the waters, showcases an elegance that is hard to match. Their pink hue reflects the beauty of the wetlands, making them a true wonder of nature.
The Harpy Eagle is truly a marvel of the rainforest. With its striking appearance and formidable presence, it stands as one of the largest and most powerful birds in the world. Its sharp talons and keen eyesight make it an apex predator, commanding respect in its domain. The mandarin duck is a sight to behold, with its kaleidoscope of colors creating a vivid display on serene lakes in East Asia. This exquisite bird glides gracefully, its vibrant plumage reflecting the beauty and tranquility of its natural habitat. The spectacular bird of paradise, unveiling the extravagant plumage and hypnotic dance of the bird of paradise found in the jungles of Papua New Guinea.
The mystical snowy owl, capturing the ghostly white beauty of the snowy owl as it silently hunts across the snowy landscapes of the Arctic.
The colourful kingfisher, featuring the electric blues and oranges of the kingfisher as it dives with precision into rivers for fish. The majestic golden pheasant, showcasing the golden pheasant's bright red and gold feathers, adding a vibrant splash of colour in the woodlands of China. To explore more about nature, keep following our channel. Goodbye for now.